Yes, everybody, hope you are well. So it's Sunday. Let's do a market recap and review from last week. So we'll start with GU. We'll just go in order, and you can see the markings on this now from last week. I've not changed anything. So what you can see from last week, what was anticipating was if price pushed into this area and you got bullish momentum, then you'll be looking for those sell continuations still. Or alternatively, like you can see here, which I've drawn with this, which would be a bullish candle, it's just an example. You'll be looking for your bullish breakout, a retest of this lower high, which we've got here. You'll be looking for bullish momentum to come back in, and then for you get your continuation. So going into this week, come tomorrow, I would anticipate some kind of a pullback. We've been pushing up for a long period of time. I'd anticipate a pullback. And then if the market structure continues to be bullish, then you'll be looking to get those buy continuations back up to these highs. Now, you never know. Let's see what tomorrow brings when tonight when the market opens into tomorrow, and we'll assess from there. But what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this. You can see the markings from last week. We'll get rid of these, and what we will do now is just put some illustrations on. So I may as well have just deleted it all, to be fair. Just get rid of that. Get rid of that there. So going into this week, GU, this is your next major area within the market, which price could pull back into. There will be more structure on the lower time frames. So on the 1H, this will be structure. We'll just stick with the 4H. On the 4H, anything above this level is still bullish to me. Price could also pull back into this area for a retest. It would be a long way for price to pull back to be honest. Be a really long way for price to pull back to all the way down here. I mean, that's 60, 70 pips there, never mind all that. I'm unsure, but going into this week, I'm going to say bullish, looking to target these highs up here. The market is pretty overextended. I will be anticipating a pullback. Let's move on. EURUSD. So last week when I was looking at this, I said that the structure was bullish, but I didn't really like this. So I said if I wanted to see buy continuations, I would want to see a break of this area here for then to go up bullish. And what you can see is price did eventually break out, and it just kept pushing up. We broke out of this key area here, and we pulled back. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete all this because we don't need any of that. What you can see now is a bit more clearer market structure. So going off this will be a high. I mean, we've got these wicks, but none of the bodies have closed, so the close is more important than the wick. So I would be saying as long as price stays above this is still bullish, so price could pull all the way back here. You can see EURUSD has been pushing bullish along with GU, so as long as you stay above that, I would say I'm still bullish. If you start pulling all the way back here and breaking and closing below this, well then, you know our role. This is going to be flipping bearish then, and you'll be looking for those sells coming into the retest of structure here. So let's see what tomorrow brings. You might get a bit of a pullback from here. You'll be looking for that continuation as long as everything goes well. So your GU, I'm bullish. Your USD, I'm bullish. Gold, I'm bullish. This is where I said last week, was here last week. I said I'd be looking for price to pull back. Didn't pull back all the way into here, but I said I was looking for buys up to these levels. Price is at all-time high. I think I did mention that if price was to break this, then you'd be into unknown territory basically. So what I'm looking for with gold, let's get rid of all that. What I'm looking for with gold, if you want to see them buy continuations, is some kind of a retest into here to get a bit of a retest to then get that continuation up higher. We'll see how the structure forms. But at the minute it's just bullish. There's nothing else really to say about that. Price could come back all the way to here, to be fair. Anything above this is still technically bullish in my eyes. Yeah, this is your main area. It will be a very long way for it to pull back to, but it's not something it's not capable of doing for getting those continuations. So 3 pairs, GU, EU, gold, all bullish. So the dollar is basically weaker. USDJPY. So what I was saying was that the price has been pulling down for a long period of time. was at this level, I think it was around here. Yeah, it would have been around here. Yeah. I was saying this was an exhaustion phase within this. Essentially, if I was going to get the sell continuations, I wanted to see price to break out of here. Even though this would have been your higher low here, you'd have had to have seen how price reacted to it. But if price started breaking out, you could potentially have looked for the sells. Alternatively, I was saying if price breaks out of this level, you could be getting those buy continuations. You can see price eventually broke out this level. So let's clear this up. Clear that up. As long as price stays above this, it's still bullish. The thing is, you've got a weak dollar at the minute, and you can see that off the three currency pairs, EU, GU, gold, they're all pushing bullish. So this is USDJPY. So you can see that we've had that bearish move along with the bullish move. So like correlating pairs. If you get a break of this level, look, if they break the retest and then that continuation back lower, if the dollar is going to continue to be weak, you'll be looking for the breakout of this level now for me to get those sells like that. Anything above this, I wouldn't really bother. You know, it's still bullish in my eyes. This is your higher low. This is your higher high. So anything above this is still bullish. New Zealand dollar USD. I was saying the market structure were bullish. I was looking for a pullback into this area for continuation, and I said that if we had a break of this level, then you'd be flipping bearish. What you can see from this level here, that price just pushed up bullish. Price pushed bullish, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clear this up. We don't need that. So price pushed up bullish. You're breaking out of key areas in the market. Here, you're breaking out. You've got that strong bearish momentum coming back in, but you can see now that the buyers have come back in. So if you was to just focus on this little bit of structure here, on this will, on your lower time frames, you will see this is a downtrend. This would be your lower high here technically. These areas of wicks. You see price is pushed out aggressively through this area. We've had that bullish close above all of these candle bodies, and then we've got that buy continuation back then. So going into this week, along with GU, EU, gold, New Zealand dollar USD is looking bullish as well, going off this market structure here. USDJPY, as long as you get that bearish flip, break out of that high low, you will get that sell. EURJPY. So same as gold, I was saying if you get a breakout of this level, you will get that buy continuation. Anything below, well, this is your, I was saying if you get that bearish momentum into this level, this is your higher low here. So you'd want a break of this level to get those sell continuations. For the buy continuations, you wanted a breakout of this level here, which you can see that we've had. So let's just get rid of that. You can see there we're breaking out of key areas within the market, and you're just creating higher highs, higher low, higher high. So for me, anything above this area here, this will be my higher high, higher low, higher high. Anything above this is still bullish. If you start breaking this, well then I will be looking for the sell continuations. Like so. Someone did ask for GBPJPY as well. Let's add this in there. Let's have a quick look. So GU to me, this is bullish market structure. We've had a bearish downtrend here for a long period of time. You can see that price now is creating high highs, higher lows. We've had a bit of a horrible bit of market structure there, but you can see price created a high high here. So what I would say to go along with the JPY pairs, as long as you stay above this level, I'll be looking for the buy continuations. As long as you get some bullish momentum stepping back in, you want to also see candles with, you know, wicks coming out of this area. Again, that's a bit big, to be honest. As long as you're getting wicks and then you're getting that bullish momentum, then you could look for them buys. And of course, alternatively, if price breaks out of this level, you'll be looking for those sell continuations there, like so. So that is market recap and reviews for this Sunday. We'll come back next Sunday, we'll review this, and we'll see how prices moved throughout the week. So hope you all have a good trading week. Just keep your head screwed on, don't be doing anything crazy, and yeah, let's hope we've got a good week going on. Take care everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next video.